What's going on, everybody? Nowadays with social distancing, people are spending more time at home than ever. With that being said, right now is the perfect time to revamp your living space. Whether it's cool ways to display your sneakers, liven up your office, or just make your personal room a little bit more comfortable. In this video, Tan and I take a visit to IKEA to showcase some affordable items to make your room cooler. Not temperature cooler, aesthetically and functionally cooler. Hopefully incorporating some of these items into your life can help make staying at home that much more enjoyable. Let's get right into it. I'm not gonna lie, these chairs right here kind of remind me of the Yeezy slides.
See, imagine you were just chilling on here and got your Yeezy slides to match it, man.
Editor, can you pop up some Yeezy slides on Tan's foot?
It's got
the mold,
curve, the mold,
and the color. Alright guys, so if you guys are looking for the Yeezy slides of chairs, it is called the Scarpo Dark Beige, only for 39 bucks. Alright guys, so plants are a really good way to liven up your indoor space. Right here, you got to go if you want to do low maintenance with the fake ones. A lot of people use them as accent plants for like photos and whatnot. We've even used them for the collection. Oh yeah. So this one right here is called the Fenchka, okay? And then we also got this little one, you know, for your desk and whatnot. This kind of reminds me of these, like, I don't know, these plants in Singapore, you know, with the things on top, the little lily pads on top. Alright guys, so whether you're indoor or outdoor, one thing that we really like are these string lights right here.
Usually you guys see them on the patios and the decks, but in my opinion, I think they look even better in your room.
I say for outdoor, get the bigger bulbs, and then for the indoor, get these small ones right here.
You want to make sure that you're using the clear ones, because the multicolor ones come off like a Christmas tree vibes, and you just kind of want a nice little feng shui in your room, give you extra lighting and better vibes.
And they are called the Blanco lights, and they are only $24.99. Alright guys, so one little pro tip, if you guys are trying to save a lot of money on any interior lighting, get something with this like kind of like lantern exterior. You're gonna save a ton of money. They're usually pretty cheap, and this one is only $12.99. So yeah, anything with this like lantern material is usually really affordable. Is IKEA selling a little bit of off-white now? What is this? All right, so one thing I really want to suggest to you guys right here are these floating shelves, you know, really functional, and they look really cool in any room.
You guys seen this in all of our sets, you know, the bear bricks that sat on there, some cool shoes. I mean, it just brings a whole wall to life.
Yes, sir. And I would really suggest when you set them up, set them kind of like asymmetrical, not super perfect. And then you can see it right here. They really did it. And this whole setup is only $170. So they're about $20 each square. Really affordable. All right, guys. So one thing I really want to recommend to you guys right here are these plants right here. They're called the Nipoons. They're only $199, and they'll make any desk that you have liven up. They kind of look like well taken care of grass is the best way I could explain it. But yeah, these are really clean and very simple. Alright guys, so right now we are at the office, and the next item I want to show to you guys are the canvas printouts. We've already brought these up in a previous video, but ever since we showed them, you guys have tagged me in a ton of photos of your guys' room and showed me how useful they have been. So I wanted to bring these up again for anybody that missed out on that video. So we have these canvas printouts right here, and this is how the process works. You will basically Google any HD photo that you are trying to put on a canvas. After I end up getting the photo, I will submit it to a Costco.com, maybe a Walgreens.com, and stores like this should have a print out service. After they accept the photo and it is uploaded to their server, I will then pick out the canvas that I want the image to be on. And just a disclaimer, what we're doing is not 100% legal if the photos are copyrighted, so sometimes they might be flagged and not accepted, so you just kind of have to get past the system. If it does get flagged, just move on to another store and hopefully they'll accept it. So right behind me, obviously this is copyrighted artwork from Cause, but if I were to buy the real artwork, we're talking hundreds and thousands of dollars. So what I'm saying right now, it has to be for personal use. I'm not promoting, you know, reselling these or anything like that on the market, strictly for personal use. So back to the process, what I'll do is Google a Cause image, and you have to make sure it is as HD as possible. Sometimes you might even have to pay for higher res photos, but hey, you're saving thousands of dollars. I know a lot of people always ask about this. There's a process. Woo! Okay, so right here, we basically have this like jungle backdrop. Very, very easy to install. They are only $4.99 per square. So you could kind of pretty much customize any shape you want out of this backdrop.
I mean, at the end of the day, you're gonna have that one wall in your room that's might be a little boring, might be a little empty. Got one of these bad boys, it's gonna bring it to life.
Yes, sir. I gotta ask you, Tan, what are your thoughts on futons? Yay or nay for the house?
Ooh, man, if you're working with a small room, I say get a futon, but they're not comfortable, and a lot of your friends are gonna sit on it, and I just don't feel comfortable with people sitting on my bed.
Sleeping on the thing that everybody sits on.
It is better than a twin-size bed, and if your room is small, this thing will fold right up.
Yeah. Sheesh, you guys see what happened to Sky's evil twin, you know. He got in a fight with Sky and the good guys won. R.I.P. R.I.P. Alright guys, so right now we're in the speaker section. This is new from IKEA. They have these right here. They double up as lamps and speakers.
That's crazy, and they also come in a shelf form over here. This is clowning right here.
Whoa! That's like our floating shelves, but a speaker.
Wow.
That's pretty cool right there. So they come out in a white color. They also have black as well. This was the shelf one. It could also just be a standalone as well. All right, guys, minimalistic desk starter kit right here, okay? Any clean desk like this right here, square shaped, and then an LED light, only $14.99. And then pair that with the plant that we showed earlier, and you'll be on your way. So I know a lot of you guys are working from home right now, spending a lot of hours at the desk. One solution to that for your body are these electronic standing desks right here.
Yes, sir. I've already seen like 4 or 5 of them. They come in like all sorts of colors too.
All shapes and sizes, all different price points. You just press this button and voila, less pressure on your back, better posture, just overall really beneficial. Alright guys, so we are back at the house right now. One thing I really want to show you guys are these modular shoe cubes. You get 15 squares for only 45 bucks. And these are just a really cool way to display your sneakers. They have this like really nice transparent lining on the boxes. I recommend these way over the Container Store boxes or even the ones from Crep Protect. Those are garbage, okay? These are way better right here, and they are way cheaper, and they are just way more customizable as far as the way you stack them. Right here, we kind of made them like a staircase, but you could also do it in a square, rectangle, whatever shape that you like. And I know right now you can just see the back of the sneakers, but one thing we just discovered, you could actually do this as well. So you could stack these a little bit differently. You'll get less cubes, but it displays the sneaker on the side, and look how clean it looks. So I definitely really recommend the modular cubes. You could put the sneakers in the cubes as well as on top. Alright guys, thank you for checking out that accessories to make your room cooler video. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys want any more of these videos. Let me know if you guys have any questions about what I showed you guys. Make sure you guys are subbed to the channel. Please like this video, and until next time, I'm out. Peace.